how to download Facebook Messenger chat conversation. If you want to download your Facebook Messenger conversations and keep a backup or save important chats, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to easily download your Messenger chats in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll need to open Facebook in a web browser. Now, once you're on the Facebook website, tap on the three horizontal bars, scroll down and click on Settings. Now, here, scroll down and tap on your Facebook information section. This is where you'll find the option to download your data. Click on Download Your Information. This is where Facebook allows you to choose exactly which data you want to download from posts and photos to managers. Click on Download or Transfer Information. Choose your account, whether it says Facebook or Instagram. So since we're downloading Facebook's Messenger conversation, click on Facebook. Now, click on specific type of information. As we're just going to download the messages section, click on Messages. Click on Next afterwards. Now you can choose whether you want to download to device or transfer to certain destination. You can choose whichever you want. After that, simply click on download. You may be prompted to enter your password, and that's it. That's how you simply download your Facebook Messenger conversations.